Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be painting this Ranunculus bouquet. I'll have all the supplies I'm using listed down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to start by painting in my main focal flowers. I'm just starting where the middle of my flower will be and then continuing to add petals around the center until I have the size of flower that I want. Next, I'm going to add in my Queen Anne's lace. I'm just adding these where there's a bit of empty space to help round out my bouquet. I'm also adjusting the size depending on where they fit within the bouquet. Now I'm going to add in my stems. I'm just focusing on one flower at a time until I have enough stems for all of my flowers, making sure that all the stems kind of end up in the same place in the bottom center of the bouquet. Next, I'm adding in the leaves. Again, just paying attention to where there is some empty space that I can fill up with the leaves. Ranunculus have these really feathery, textury leaves, so I'm trying to incorporate that look into the bouquet as well. I'm finishing off the bouquet by adding even more leaves to help round everything out, but these leaves I'm leaving a little bit lighter just to help keep the focus toward the middle of the bouquet. I'm just darkening the centers of my flowers, and then I'm calling this finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this tutorial and post a picture on Instagram, please tag me at Snowberry Design Co and use the hashtag SnowberryTutorial. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. I also wanted to let you know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released in April 2018. I'll walk you through all my go-to supplies, how I mix colors, and everything you need to know about how I paint roses. I have a waitlist for the course you can join so that you won't miss anything. And I'll leave a link down for that in the description box below as well if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye!